Sharp Customs. It's Thursday evening. Gets dark rather fast here in southern Ontario. I've been promising a video of the Raco Jackrabbit with the wide tires. We're going to try and shoot a little video. Don't know, we might get busted here on the school property. Don't know, but you know, we'll fire it up. We'll take it for a little rip. I want to say that if you want to zoom in on these here wheels, these are the wide racing rims by Raco. Now these tires did have a liner glued onto them. I peeled the liners off. I got a whole box of these wheels or tires and rims from a nice fella in Vegas. His name is Rob Valentine. Go check him out. He's got a great site. It's called Backyard Relics, man. The guy does some he does some pretty crazy stuff with quarter scale stuff. He does a lot of old school art deco. He does some you know, he makes full what are they, suits of armor, hand bangs all the stuff by hand. Very cool guy, very nice guy for sending me sent me a box of about 30 wheels and tires that he wasn't using. All I had to pay was the shipping. Thanks, Rob. They're awesome. Don't know how many of them I'm going to use, but we got a full set on the Raco Jackrabbit, and we're going to run it. We're going to see how it handles on the rough asphalt here. What do you say we fire it up? By the way, we are rolling. Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe. Let's fire it up. Let's see what it can do. Kind of weird with the little wheel hop going on there. Not really sure what that little wheel hop. Every time I go to the left or to the right, I get the outside wheels with a little bit of a hop. Could be an alignment issue. Could be a camber issue. Not really sure, but overall still looks pretty cool with the wide. bring it around and have a look. Look at that wheel. It wouldn't be any fun without a few donuts. So what was going on there is these little blocks that are the spindles. I can show you what happened. So there's a bolt that kind of holds it in this sleeve. These sleeves, they're kind of splined. Once you pull it in tight, kind of holds it at the camber you want. And this one, it actually rotated. It rotated forward, which you know, kind of made the wheel all, I don't know what you call it, Capiwonkus, I can't think of the name. It's fine now. I just twisted it back, got it back to a kind of a decent camber. It should be probably going to have to drill a hole in this plastic and put a pin or a set screw or something like that, and I can see that that one is straight up and down. So that's probably got something to do with the wheels hopping in the corners. Overall, as far as the grip on the rubber, well, you know what, it's really hard to tell because as you can see, I'm all bundled up here. Southern Ontario, it is cold. We're in the minuses. I'm surprised it isn't snowing right now, but there you have it. You get to see the Raco with the wides. Maybe if the weather doesn't change in the next few days, I'll stick the foamies, the wide foamies on, and we'll bring it back over and we'll try it again. I'd like to take it for a blast in the dirt, but if I take it for a blast in the dirt, then I'm gonna spend an hour cleaning it, and it's not clean by no means. It's dirty, but that's the way we roll at Sharp Customs. You know, I buy these, work on them, build them, change things to run them. Most of my cars never become shelf queens. They'll never become a shelf queen, because before I let it become a shelf queen, I will sell it. You know, I'll let someone else have some fun with it. And I will only sell it to a person that's going to use it. I'm not going to sell my stuff. I almost said a bad word there. I won't sell my stuff to somebody that's just going to throw it on a shelf and look at it all the time. I'm going to fire this thing back up because why not? I can. Just grab the ripper cord here. What do you say we do some more crazy donuts? have it. I know it's not a long run. It was a short run. She needs a little bit of an alignment. She needs a little tweaking. But I love this little car. I love this little car from the 80s, 90s. Never lets me down. Runs great all the time. So there you have it. You got to see the Jackrabbit with the wides on it. I got some more body stuff I want to make for it. I want to do a little thing over the back. Maybe put a wing on it. I might even change the whole body style. I might make it look like you never know what I might make it look like. That's kind of a surprise, you know. I might put a complete different body on it. But till our next video, share, like, subscribe. Sharp Customs. I'm out. It's cold. Peace.